black holes, the center of huge galaxies, have formed over billions of years ago. Okay, so line 0, you can see that the use of the present tense, and having read through this text, you can see that it's an information text, very, very scientific, very, very factual. Okay, so you can imagine that there will be the use of likely the present tense in this passage. All right. Now in line 1, okay, black holes have formed over billions of years. The Milky Way, the galaxy which Earth is located at, has one of those. Okay, what do you see in line 1? All right, the Milky Way, the name of the galaxy which Earth is located at, has one of those. Okay, the error is in at. Okay, now you do not say at here, but rather you want to say in. The galaxy which Earth is located in, all right, in, not at, has one of those huge black holes which mass is about 3 million times that of the Sun. Okay, that's line 2. Okay, what have you spotted in line 2? So has one of those huge black holes which mass is about 3 million times that of the Sun. So the mass here refers to the mass of the black hole. All right, so you do not use the relative pronoun which, you have to say whose mass. Okay, because the mass here is kind of like referring to the mass of the black hole. So the black hole whose mass is 3 million times that of the Sun. All right. Now you cannot escape the intense gravity of the event horizon n. All right, you cannot escape the intense gravity of the event horizon. Okay, out in space. n. All right, any errors that you can see here? No. All right, so line 3 is actually a tick here. It's correct. So, and time-space itself is in continued collapse. So the orbits are not stable. Okay, that's line 4. Any error that you can spot in line 4? Time-space itself is in continued collapse. So the orbits are not stable. So it's kind of like in this continual, okay, not continue collapse, but rather continual. Okay, continual means like it's a sequence, an ongoing sequence in which there are repeated events or actions. So the repeated kind of like collapse. So because of that, the orbits are not stable. So time-space itself is in continual collapse. So the orbits are not stable. Line 5, the gravity are deadly at a distance of only 1,000 kilometers, a black hole. Now, line 5, all right, the gravity are deadly. Now, you're referring to gravity, which is kind of like uncountable noun here. The gravity is deadly, not are deadly. The gravity is deadly at a distance of only 1,000 kilometers.